Cordless wall switches provide flexible lighting control without wiring, ideal for renovations, rentals, and quick installations in hard-to-reach areas. My today's video is about top 5 best wireless wall switches that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Loratap Wireless Wall Switches. The Loratap 3-channel wireless outlet switch delivers impressive flexibility by functioning as both a wall-mounted controller and a portable remote, making device control incredibly convenient across different spaces. Its plug-and-play setup is refreshingly simple. Just connect the outlet, and you can instantly manage up to 3 devices with a single remote, aided by a clear LED indicator and energy-efficient design. The strong signal range stands out, reliably working through walls without interference, even in multi-device environments. It's especially user-friendly for elderly users or anyone wanting a no-app solution, thanks to its prepared system and straightforward operation. The memory function ensures your settings are retained after power outages, adding practicality to everyday use. Backed by certifications and a solid warranty, this device offers a dependable, clutter-free smart control alternative. Now our second product is Zoyanet Wireless Wall Switches. The Zoyanet Wireless Remote Outlet Switch stands out as a highly practical and user-friendly solution for effortless appliance control without any wiring. Its plug-and-play design, combined with a detachable remote that can be wall-mounted or used handheld, adds real convenience, especially for elderly users, pregnant women, or those with limited mobility. The strong 300-foot signal range ensures reliable performance through walls and obstacles, making it suitable for larger homes. What truly enhances its value is the DIY expandability, allowing flexible configurations like controlling multiple devices with one switch or vice versa. With support for up to 1500W, it handles a wide variety of appliances with ease. Built-in safety certifications and a default-off feature after power outages provide added peace of mind, making it a dependable and versatile smart control alternative. Our third product is Fosman Wireless Wall Switches. The Fosman Waypoint Wireless Outlet Switch is an excellent solution for adding convenient lighting or appliance control without the hassle of wiring or professional installation. Its plug-and-play design makes setup effortless, while the option to mount the switch or use it as a handheld remote adds flexibility for different needs. The programmable RF remote is a standout feature, allowing customizable configurations such as one-to-many or many-to-one control, ideal for multi-way switching in areas like hallways or garages. Its reliable signal works through walls without line of sight, and the inclusion of Braille enhances accessibility. The compact, low-profile receiver avoids blocking adjacent outlets and fits neatly behind furniture. With solid safety ratings, broad compatibility, and a durable build, it offers a dependable, user-friendly, and highly versatile wireless control solution. Now number 4, Doinwells Wireless Wall Switches. The Doinwells Wireless Wall Switch offers a highly practical and flexible solution for controlling lights and appliances without the need for rewiring, making it ideal for quick home upgrades. Its easy installation and detachable remote design allow it to function both as a wall switch and a handheld controller, adding convenience in any room. The strong RF signal performs reliably through walls and doors with up to 100-foot range, ensuring smooth operation without line-of-sight limitations. With a robust 15A/1875W capacity, it easily handles high-power devices like lamps, fans, and seasonal lighting. The system is pre-programmed for immediate use but remains expandable, allowing users to customize setups with additional compatible units. Its compact size and side outlet design prevent blocking adjacent sockets, making it a space-efficient and dependable choice for everyday home automation needs. And our last choice is BN-Link Wireless Wall Switches. The BN-Link Wireless Remote Control Outlet Kit delivers a reliable and hassle-free solution for managing household devices with minimal setup. Designed as a true plug-and-play system, it comes ready to use right out of the box, including batteries, while still offering the flexibility to customize pairings as needed. Its strong RF signal performs well through walls and doors, maintaining stable control within a 100-foot range without interfering with other electronics. The ability to expand the system by pairing multiple outlets adds excellent scalability, making it ideal for larger setups. Everyday convenience is a key strength, allowing users to control lights, heaters, air conditioners, and more with either the remote or manual switches. The wall-mountable remote also helps prevent misplacement, enhancing usability. Overall, it's a practical, versatile, and dependable choice for simplifying home appliance control. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.